of puppeteers from Yogyakarta, Papermoon Puppet is currently showing a new version of their 2011 play, A Cup of Coffee from Playa, at Edwin's gallery in Kemang, South Jakarta. The play is based on a true story as it follows the lives of Indonesian couple who were set apart by the Communist Purge in 1965.
High school sweethearts Widodo and Widari are convinced they are meant to spend their lives together during the harsh times of President Sukarno's era. But when Widodo received scholarship to study in Moscow, their happily ever after tale has to be postponed until he finishes his master's degree. The so-called 30 September movement takes place before Widodo gets a chance to graduate, while a series of unfortunate events come upon him. In the most dramatic sequence of the play, Widodo is taken from his study by 4 human figures in white masks and thrown into an old briefcase as he struggles to break free. The play has run 16 times after its premiere in Yogyakarta in 2011, with 12 shows in Jakarta in 2013. A new version of the play has been shown at Edwin's gallery from October 5th to 9th as part of the group's attempt to raise funds for their puppet festival, Pesta Boneka, in December. Papermoon Puppet co-founder Iwan Effendi says the play is a non-alternative way of expressing a dark part of Indonesia's history in a seemingly apolitical way. Meanwhile, Papermoon Puppet founder Maria Tri Sulistiani says the love story could be likened to a snowball in the controversial blizzard of the 1965 Communist Purge.
Ya udah kan kita juga nggak ngerasa butuh baca buku sejarah ya nggak bakal baca kan gitu loh. Tapi kalau misalnya diperangkap dengan cara diperangkap, tapi maksudnya ketika kita menceritakan kisah ini dengan cara seperti ini, harapannya lebih banyak orang jadi tahu sebenarnya sih.
The new version of A Cup of Coffee from Playa runs for 50 minutes, longer than all its previous incarnations. Additional scenes are the result of the group's encounters with Widodo and Widari over the years. It also features 5 different sets and a moving set.
Cerita di belakangnya juga bertambah. Cerita di belakangnya juga berkembang. Jadi kami juga jadi tahu bagaimana sulitnya Pak Wi mencari ibu gitu, dan bagaimana respon ibu ketika tahu Pak Wi bagaimana. Jadi cerita-cerita itu kami tambah detail-detail kecil, bahkan seperti halnya kenapa dulu nggak ada mesin jahit di atas meja dan sekarang ada mesin jahit di atas meja. Karena dari cerita Bapak terakhir ketemu kami, pertama kali kami bertemu muka, beliau cerita bahwa dulu itu mereka berdua sudah membeli mesin jahit untuk bersiap untuk susah bersama. Jadi sekarang makanya ada mesin jahit.
The play was featured in hit movie Ada Apa Dengan Cinta 2, where 2 of the main characters went to see Playa, but the scene in the movie only shows the early part of the play. Ria and Iwan say the movie has exposed Papermoon to a new group of audience who are eager to see them live. The 5th Pesta Boneka will take place at the Gajah Mada University and Kepek Village, Yogyakarta from December 2nd to 4th. Lisa Suregar reports for Jakarta Globe.